In V3.4, we're looking at a first order difference equation. We're halving the current term and then adding 10. So we've got a difference of 10 and a common ratio of a half, or 0.5, and we start from 100. So to write down the rule, the common ratio times the previous term plus the common difference, and we define the starting point as A. So in this instance, Tn plus 1 is equal to a half times T to the n plus 10, and we start from 100. So writing down the first four members of this sequence, or first order difference equation, so we're halving and adding 10. It's not an arithmetic sequence, as we've got a common ratio and the difference. And it's not a geometric sequence because we've also got that common difference. Your graphics calculator proves to be an extremely handy tool when you're dealing with first order difference or recurrence equations. We go to sequence and we select recursive. Now, as mentioned before, we can select the n plus 1, A1, or n plus 1, A0 option. I've chosen the n plus 1 and 1 option. 3 times an, take 2. First term is 2, so 3 times the previous, take 2, starting from 2. And you can see the sequence generated. So I can simply just record that down. And the next one exactly the same. I'll use 0.5 rather than a half. Try again. And then add 100 to that. And we commence at 1,000. Tick the box, enter it, and you can see the sequence of numbers generated. Continue with the next one, exactly the same process. Your sequence is generated. Note, A1, An plus 1 option must be selected first. Now from the description, we look for what is the common ratio, and we also look at the difference. Always writing it as T n plus 1, or the next term, is equal to the common ratio times the previous, adding the common difference. You must always write where you've commenced from. Unless you're told otherwise, use T1. The next instance, increasing by 15%, so the R is going to equal to 1.15. The D is minus 20. Starting at 100 or $100.